Let's read and spell words with the letter M. Words like milk, mug, and mouse.
In the word mop. Ah, p. All right, let's stretch it out. Mop. Now let's sing it. Mop. I heard a lot of sounds in the word mop. 3 to be exact. I heard a ah, and a p. I can get out my reading finger just like this and touch each block. Ah, p. And then I can blend it. Mop. I heard the in the first box. So I know I can take that block off and I can actually write my letter M in that first box. Ah, p, mop. And that's getting me super ready to become not only a great reader, but a great speller too. All right, let's go ahead and take our blocks off and let's try another magic miniature. Are you ready? My next magic miniature is a mug. Let's say it together, mug. All right, let's get out our little phoneme counters. G. Mug. Now let's stretch it. Mug. Now sing it. Mug. Wow, I heard 3 sounds. I'm going to get out my cubes again, and I'm going to listen to my sounds as I put them in the boxes. G. All right, get out your reading finger. G. Blend it. Mug. Where did I hear the sound? I heard it at the beginning, so I can take off that first cube. Guess what I can write in that first box? I can write the sound. The letter M goes with the sound G. Blend it. Mug. That is getting us ready to be writers and spellers. I've had so much fun today talking about our letter M and getting to know the letter M a bit better. I'll see you next time when I teach you your super learning powers, one child at a time.